The battery for the 3350 machine, this laser machine, batteries for these types of laser machines are all disassembled in the same way. First, we find a flathead screwdriver and use it to open the controller. Rotate it 90 degrees and you can open it, then we can lift it up like this. Where is our battery? The battery is here. Right here. We must pay attention to the orientation of the battery, the direction of the battery. When we are finally ready to remove the component, we can use either a pair of needle nose pliers or some fine-tipped tweezers. Carefully push the small locking latch all the way back, push it back once more to ensure it is fully released, and then use your tweezers to slowly and gently pull the battery out from its designated compartment. But be careful. When installing, it should be installed like this, just like this, inserted this way. Be sure to pay attention to the front and back sides. These are the battery models we currently utilize in our operations. All right, so how do we install it? Simply push the battery directly into the slot, just like this. First, align it carefully as shown, and then firmly snap it into its designated place. Okay, now that we have successfully installed it, please keep in mind that removing the battery automatically resets the internal date. Therefore, once we have securely put the battery back in, it is necessary for us to manually set the laser machine system date to the current local date. We must ensure we reset the date correctly.